dyno in a buddy of mine's truck over here at Jimmy's shop. Let's go check it out. Got a twin turbo, like 6.0, bad to the bone, brother. This sucker's awesome. Hey, tell us what all you got done with this thing, son. You ain't camera shy. What is this, a 4.8 or 6.0 or what? 4.8. Oh, come on now, don't like this. 6.0, 1,000 horsepower. Not yet. Oh, look at him. He's camera shy for some reason. Sissy. Oh, what year is this thing? 41, boys. Comes stock with that motor. Can't believe you're so camera shy. What a sissy. Ooh, looks like Jimmy's gonna look at it. He's always on the phone. Look out! Woo! Oh yeah, dyno time, son! Oh yeah! Arr, arr, arr. What kind of transmission you run, son? Turbo 400. Tell us about the motor, seriously.
It's all stock.
It's all stock. Okay. He just run a lot of boost, ain't you?
Yep.
Dang, boys. Yeah, heck yeah. He's going to be a star. Look at he's so shy. Dude, chicks are going to be after you. They're like, who drives that old black truck? It's so camera shy. I like it, boys. There's the tuner right there. Get a bunch of gray hair. Look at that mustache. Who wants a mustache ride? Oh, man. What's all the tape on the steering wheel for?
The red tape is when you want to go straight, and the green tape's at the start line.
You're kidding me.
So you gotta turn the green tape is straight when you let off the button. And then when you get going, then you got to move the wheel around so the red goes straight.
Holy crap, this truck's awesome.
You don't want to get confused.
Oh, I bet. Dude, I love this thing. Man. Oh, yeah, boy. We're getting ready to die, boy. Woo! Dude, how cool would it be if the strap broke and they went through? Hey, man. Oh. Get my heart pumping. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go! Smell that race fuel, son? Oh, we're gonna do it again, son! Zooming in on that, see what it makes. What it makes? Still 721. This is a chick magnet, boys. Look at there, he's standing with the eye. Oh, we got Jimmy over there tuning. He ain't camera shy. Look at him smiling. He's single. He's looking for a woman. Ooh, what do you got on top there? That is. What is that? Dang, son.